Well, howdy. So, it's springtime. And I gotta get stuff done. Shaboom. It's a coyote. And I broke it. And I need to get it fixed because I got to mow about 5 acres of land. And I gotta pick stuff up with it and whatnot. So, yeah. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So it's physically not broken, but the mower deck broke, kinda. Oh yeah, I just got done plowing the fields. Now I planted grass seed. The dogs are destroying my yard. So that's what I did. And I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Do not know. That like bent. I didn't remember how bad it was until now. By God. I think I'm doing cutting it and rewelding it, cutting it and just moving it. First, let's just try taking it out. Let's do that. Let's go take it to the vise. Even though the vise and I got crap all over the place. That's cool. How much can a vise? You know what I'm saying? Ridiculous. Might have to take this to work tomorrow. So, I got this big metal thing right here. It's one of those things you keep in the garage. You're like, oh, I'll use that one day, and you never do. And then, in a moment like this, it works frickin' perfectly. I don't know, this thing might just be... But I can go find a bolt, I think, that fits. Is this supposed to be in here like this? This is for the spring. Need to find a bolt that size. What I thought I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut that weld and just put a bolt through it, and then maybe just drill, or I already know what I'm gonna do. Don't worry about it. I already know what I'm gonna do. Okay, found a bolt. So what I'm thinking is Huh? So now, alrighty. So now, this thing's on fire. Oh, my hand's on fire. Oh my God, hurry up with the nut. I mean, it's kind of clunky. I mean, it's not factory, that's for damn sure. Now I'm just gonna weld that nut on. I don't have to do that on camera. I'm just gonna tack that nut on. I always struggle. I don't know, is it just me that struggles getting this thing on and off? Because I hate getting this thing on and off. Ran out of diesel fuel. Who would have thunk? You know what I mean? But yeah, I fixed her up. She's ready to mow. No problems. Nothing fell off. So that's a W in my book. Yeah, I know it's kind of like a weird one. I mean, they're all weird. Let's be honest, all my videos are weird, but I appreciate you watching. If you made it to here, thank you. And if you like the video, subscribe, because I'm trying to do more of these. I'm having fun with it. I really am. My kid's looking at me weird. Dad's got a video or a camera on his face. Kind of odd, right? But it's fun and I like it, and it's kind of like my little out. So, thanks for watching, and God bless you. Bye-bye.